Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish out a recipe or a made up recipe to show you like how to get the cost per gram of your flour mixture. So I've got, I put another bowl on here, zeroed it out. I've measured out 2 cups of, let's call it almond meal. It's 164 grams. And the almond meal, come back over here to my calculator and put in 164 times the cost of the almond meal is 0.014. So we're going to multiply 164 times 0.014. That is not right. 164 times, oh my goodness gracious, clear it all out. 164 times 0.014. That equals $2.29.6. So it says, let me show you. It says 2.296. So we're going to round that up to 2.27. So $2.27 for the 2 cups of almond meal. Okay, set that aside. And then we've got, so I'm going to use this as my bowl. Zero that out. A tablespoon of xanthan gum. I'm going to measure that out. Shake it off. Weigh it. And a tablespoon of xanthan gum weighs 12 grams. And the xanthan gum, so I'm going to zero out my calculator again, 12 grams times the cost of it is 0.029. So the xanthan gum weighs, our cost says 0.348, so 0.35, we're going to round it up. So the xanthan gum costs 35 cents. I'm writing all of that down. I'm gonna add all of it up, so zero out my calculator again. The coconut flour was 16 cents for the 1/4 cup. Let me write these measurements down here. It was a 1/4 cup, it was 2/3 of a cup, 2 cups, and 1 tablespoon. Okay, so 16 cents for the coconut flour plus 20 cents for the almond flour plus $2.27 for the almond meal plus 35 cents for the xanthan gum. So the whole recipe costs $2.98. Okay, so that's step 1. But now you need to know how much do all of these ingredients weigh. So if we take this bigger bowl, actually, what do I need to do? I'm going to take another bowl, zero it out. And I'm going to put all of the ingredients in there. So all of the ingredients together weigh the total weight. I'm going to write it on my card. The total weight is 294 grams. So if I take $2.98 and divide it by 294 grams, I get that it cost 0.01. So basically a penny per gram. So I'm going to write it down here. The cost per gram is 0.01 cents. So that's what that looks like. So then you know whenever you are, so you mix this all together and now you've got your custom flour mixture that you use, right? So if you've got a recipe that you need 2/3 of a cup of your flour mixture, so you measure it out, weigh it, and see it's 69 grams. So if you're using 69 grams of your flour mixture in your blueberry cookies, then you're gonna know if you multiply 69 grams times 0.01, because your mixture cost a penny per gram, that's 69 cents for the ingredients that you just used in that blueberry cookie recipe. Okay, I'll see you in a bit.